So here, let's have a look at the Spigen Slim Armor CS. This doesn't have MagSafe because it has a wallet on the back. This is using their normal technology inside, air cushion technology. As you can see, it's split a bit, so it will accommodate the card reader. So this is the area for the cards. You can put up to 2 and then cover them, and it just takes slightly little space in there. Quite minimalistic. Let's see how it looks like. See how easy it is to install. Let's just try from the bottom up. I think that's the way you do it. Yeah, feels nice. You can feel there's something in the back, but I think you'll get used to it with time, especially if you are the person who wants to have their cards with in there. So yeah, there you have it.